हम चलते हैं, देखते हैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस गृह मंत्री सुशील कुमार शिंदे की।
No, sir, the rejection, I want to correct the...
No, I'll tell you, after rejection, you see, the cases were filed in the, Rajiv Gandhi's case was filed in Tamil Nadu High Court, and then subsequently it was brought to the Supreme Court, and I have dates also that I can give it. Those cases have been still under consideration of the judiciary, and hence, you see, they differ from this particular case. This was, I said, you see, this was, the President had signed on 3rd and I signed on 4th, and immediately action had to be taken. The same action I had taken in Ajmal's case also.
No, yes. That, Mr. Shinde, you're not answering my question. My question is very specific and very clear. Just like in the assassins of Rajiv Gandhi, who have been convicted, that is that Murugan and others, they were also rejected. Their death petition, like Afzal Guru, was rejected. In the same way, the rejection of Bullers was rejected by Pratibha Patil. The assassins of Rajiv Gandhi, as well as Bullers, were rejected by Pratibha Patil. She said that they must go to the gallows. But neither the state governments executed it. Instead, the assemblies passed a resolution, and the option was given to them to go to the Supreme Court. Here, in this case, no option was given to the convict to appeal to the Supreme Court.
Do you mean to say that we had to give the option to Ajmal's case also? It's the same thing you are advocating.
Yes, I would say for anybody, no, the law is the same for everybody.
Usually, the President signs, then the Home Ministry immediately sent it to execution. That is the practice. In other cases also, if you see the chronological thing, it was sent to the state concern, and the state concern, you see, there they went into the appeal, not in Delhi. Yes.
सर, ये जो पहला सवाल है उन्होंने पूछा था सर, उनकी फैमिली को जो पहला सवाल था इनका कि उनकी फैमिली को आज मिला है वो स्पीड पोस्ट, इस बारे में क्या है? क्या ये कानूनी प्रक्रिया क्या है? क्या पहले इन्फॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए था, क्योंकि मर्जी पिटीशन उनकी वाइफ की तरफ से डाला गया?
Just one by one. Let's go one by one. Yeah, we'll answer.
देखिए, इसमें उनके फैमिली को मालूमात कर दिया था, बोलते मेरे पास उन्हें आज मालूमात भी मैंने करा ले लिए है कि 8 तारीख के 7 तारीख के रात में ही उनको स्पीड पोस्ट से बता दे दिया था, और ये 9 तारीख को एक्शन था।
One minute, please. Please, 1 minute, sir. Please, I'm coming. Just 1 minute. That lady is waiting. Just 1 minute.
Other faster means of reaching the family in this day and age. This is a matter of death. I'm sure you can use faster means. I'm sure a phone call could have gone.
You see, I had inquired because everything Home Minister cannot do. Home Minister can sign the papers, and it goes to the Secretary. Secretary sends it to the jail authority, and it is left to the jail authority. Yes.
Yes.
सर, जिस तरीके से उमर अब्दुल्ला ने कहा कि परिवार को आखिरी समय में कम से कम मिलने का मौका दिया जाना चाहिए था, और वो मौका नहीं दिया गया। दूसरी बात की परिवार ने अब ये मांग की है कि वो वहां पर जाना चाहते हैं, कब्र पे अपना फातिहा पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो क्या गृह मंत्रालय इसकी इजाजत देगा?
वो जाना चाहते हैं तो इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड।
Really, there was some miscommunication between you. I mean, you were wrongly informed that the letter had not reached. Had you knew that the family was not informed, would you have deferred the execution on the night?
नहीं, ये hypothetical questions इसमें नहीं होते हैं।
Yes. Arunima, no, please, Sunil, please, 1 moment. Let's go one by one. Everybody will get an opportunity. Yes, please.
Do you regret that Afzal Guru was not given a chance to meet his family before he was hanged? And like Mr. Omar Abdullah said, are you also apprehensive that because of this situation, there could be more trouble in Kashmir?
No, you see, that is a different thing. But as per the rules, everything was carried out, nothing was left.
So do you think that?
Just 1 moment, Kamalji.
So do you think
do you think the duty of the government ends by simply sending a letter? Is it not the duty of the government to confirm that the family has actually been intimated?
You see, it is according to rules that they have acted.
Yes, Kamaljeet, please.
Sir, many are accusing Congress, saying it's a political decision. What do you have to say about this? Second, when was Umar Abdullah told about this execution? And my third point is, if the family is saying that
One by one
he's an
only.
Indian.
See, when I personally told Umar Abdullah on 8th night, and that was the first time that I told him that we are doing it tomorrow. That was on 9th. नहीं, जरा उनका ये देखिए, इसके बारे में ये बड़ा सेंसिटिव मामला था। ये दोनों भी सेंसिटिव मामले थे, अजमल का भी, ये भी। गवर्नमेंट हैड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑन दिस।
Yes, Alok, you had a question?
being a political decision.
It is not a political decision. According to the law, has taken the decision.
Yes, Kamaljeet, please, 1 minute. Other people are waiting, please. Yes, Alok.
Sir, Yasin Malik had held a token fast for Afzal Guru in Islamabad. He also shared diets with Hafiz Saeed. Now, we are seeing lots of instances of separatists meeting Hafiz Saeed. Now, will the Home Ministry take action? Will in this specific case of Yasin Malik, will his passport be revoked?
No, that we'll see.
Okay, Alok, you had a question?
We have to go inquire into it. What exactly, whether it is fixing.
Yes, Alok.
It was according to the rules. The rules say that the family should be informed.
The family.
Were you told that the family was informed?
Family is informed on 7th night. We see the speed post was sent, and the actual hanging was on 9th.
Yes.
But the family was informed only today by the government.
That I don't know.
सर, कुछ लोगों का ये भी कहना है कि जो आपने रिमार्क किया था हिंदू टेरर को लेकर, बीजेपी आप पे निशाना बना रही थी, इसलिए जो अफजल गुरु की जो फांसी है उसे एक्सपीडाइट कर दिया गया।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ये तो एक्चुअल कानून की तरफ से ये पहले ही हो रहा था। हिंदू टेरर के बारे में मैंने बहुत क्लियरली कहा है कि मेरी पार्टी ने भी इसमें कहा है कि कोई भी टेररिज्म हो, उसका रंग नहीं होता है। और उसके आगे भी उन्होंने कहा है पार्टी में कि गलती से कभी कभी हो सकता है, ये भी कहा है उन्होंने। एंड आई सेड नेक्स्ट डे कि जो मेरे पार्टी ने कहा है उससे मैं पूरा सहमत हूं। सवाल ही नहीं उसका इससे कनेक्ट करने का।
दो सवाल आपसे शिंदे साहब की आपने खुद भी कहा था, एक ही सवाल के दो पहलू है। पहला तो ये कि गृह मंत्री और राष्ट्रपति भवन में इन दोनों की जो याचिकाएं थी बहुत पहले से थी, तो क्या ये इस वजह से है कि नए राष्ट्रपति और नए गृह मंत्री आए? और दूसरा ये कि दोनों मामलों में इतनी सीक्रेसी क्यों बरती गई?
नहीं, मैंने कह दिया था कि आपको कि नए राष्ट्रपति जी ने 7 केसेस भेज दिए हैं मेरे पास, नए होम मिनिस्टर के पास, ये भी मैंने बताया था। और अभी तक 4 केसेस पूर्ण हो गए हैं। अभी 9 तारीख को 2 पूर्ण हो गए हैं। राष्ट्रपति जी ने 7 केसेस भेज दिए हैं मेरे पास, नए होम मिनिस्टर के पास, ये भी मैंने बताया था। और अभी तक 4 केसेस पूर्ण हो गए हैं। अभी 9 तारीख को 2 पूर्ण हो गए हैं। सभी केसेस हो गए हैं पूर्ण अभी। यानी देखिए, जब मेरे पास जितने केसेस आ गए उतने क्लियर हो गए।
1 minute,
सीक्रेसी तो मेंटेन करना है कोई भी चीज की। देखिए, हमारे में बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कई चीजें मालूम हो जाती है और फिर वो काम नहीं होता है। इसके लिए सीक्रेसी मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है।
गृह मंत्री जी, अफजल और कसाब का अपराध तो समझ में आता है, लेकिन डीएनए करस्पॉन्डेंट इफ्तिकार गिलानी को आपकी पुलिस ने परसों 7 आवर्स उसके बच्चों को भी डिटेन किया, हाउस अरेस्ट किया है। वो भारत सरकार का मान्यता प्राप्त जर्नलिस्ट है, एक्टिव जर्नलिस्ट है। उसने कौन सा अपराध किया था? और इस बारे में कल प्रेस काउंसिल चेयरमैन ने आपके होम सेक्रेटरी से 48 आवर्स कार्रवाई करने की उम्मीद की है।
मैं इस पे कल तो मैं मेघालय में था, मुझे पूरी मालूमात नहीं। और सुबह से मैं गवर्नर के कॉन्फ्रेंस में हूँ। गिलानी को मैं भी अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ। वो मैं क्या इंक्वायरी करके देख लेता हूँ क्या हो गया एक्चुअल।
Yes, please, sir. At the back. पीछे, please.
Sir, this is regarding Telangana issue, sir. Sir, you just now told that you have cleared all files, pending files, but you have not cleared Telangana files.
4 दिन से बड़ा सीरियस था, 3-4 दिन से पहली बार हंस रहा हूँ मैं.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Can we think that it's a closed chapter, sir, Telangana issue?
No, it is not closed chapter. You see, we are on the discussing. You see, the issue is open.
Yes, please. Just a moment.
Because issue is open to do, you see, this way or that way. We are also interested to take quick decision. There is no limit on this.
सर, इसमें जो आतंकवाद है, जो टेररिज्म है, इसमें 2 प्रकार के मामले हैं जो राष्ट्रपति के विचाराधीन है. एक है इंडिविजुअल टेररिज्म से कंसर्न, एक है नेशनल क्राइम, एक है इंडिविजुअल क्राइम. तो इन दोनों को क्या होम मिनिस्ट्री इन दोनों में कुछ फर्क के नजरिए से फैसला करती है?
नहीं, हम इस तरह से फैसला नहीं करते हैं. जो निर्णय सुप्रीम कोर्ट से आता है उस पर हमारी कार्रवाई होती है.
सर, क्या इस तरह के इनपुट्स मिले हैं इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज को कि सीमा पार जो है लश्कर, जैश ए मोहम्मद, दूसरे संगठन जो है वो हमला करने की फिराक है इस पूरे मामले को भुनाने के लिए?
देखिए, रिटेलिएट की एवरी पॉसिबिलिटी वी हैव टू असेस. हम ये चुप नहीं बैठते हैं कि एक हो गया कि दूसरा नहीं हो सकता. सरकार को सब तरफ से देखना होता है.
आप बहुत ही चुपचाप और सधे अंदाज में काम को अपने अंजाम दे रहे हैं. अब देश जानना चाहता है कि अगला कौन.
Yes, please, at the back. Well, please. Let's go to just one moment. No, please. Please, Kamaljeet, please. There are a lot of... No, please, Kamaljeet, I cannot allow this. There are a lot of people waiting.
1 minute. Answer to him. अगला कौन ये बताऊंगा तो फिर वो जो हमारे साथी जो हमारे बोल रहे थे, सुनील प्रभु है, वो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. तो उसके जैसे फिर और कोई ना कोई कोर्ट में जाएगा, बताओगा तो.
At the back, please. Yes.
No. I understand. Sunil is my very old friend. Yeah.
Please, there are a lot of people. Please.
That the Home Secretary said that the family was informed. He had checked with the DGP of the state, and the DGP confirmed through the local police that the family was informed. And the family is saying no. You need to come here on those facts because your own General Secretary of the Congress Party, Mr. Brigadier Singh, has said it is unfair. And there is a moral and a legal concept of the state in terms of the rights of a convict.
You see, I was expecting that you will ask.
Okay.
I have speed post record with me that it has been sent. Not only once, it is twice sent. You see, every after 10 minutes, 10 minutes difference.
Yes, at the back, please.
Yeah. So my question to you is,
yes,
sir. Here.
Yes, please.
My question to you is that you read the Afzal Guru's file for the last couple of months, went through the whole file. I just had one simple question: was he a surrendered militant? Was Afzal Guru a surrendered militant?
देखिए, surrender militants, because that everything had not gone into the details, but I had seen whether he was really, see, his evidence is being concerned with that, and what happened in the lower court, what happened in the High Court and Supreme Court. That was my job, you see, to see, and that I had seen.
Yes,
Sir, I have 2 questions. One,
please. One.
Okay.
I have only
Yes.
1
sir,
minute.
death penalty is a punishment solely meant for deterrent. If it is so, why these death penalties are being carried out in secrecy? Why a strong message government is not sending to those, sending them to gallows in secrecy shows that you are not hanging a terrorist as if you are hanging some saints. In what manner you are carrying out?
I do not understand what you mean.
I mean that death penalty is for deterrent. If it is for deterrent, why are you carrying out these death penalties in secrecy?
No, everything is secret, you see, in the government. Particularly for the police is concerned, it has to be maintained secrecy. Police, jails, has to be maintained secrecy. You cannot keep all investigation department or intelligence branch. If you keep it, everything is open and transparent, country will not run.
Mr. Shinde, it was Afzal's wife Tabassum who had moved the mercy petition. When you sent her the speed post, did the speed post say that her husband was going to be hanged, or did it say her mercy petition has been rejected? Also,
I had not sent, you see, that speed post. The jail authority had sent it. I have not sent it anything.
Also, the
mercy... I signed the file, you see, on the 4th, and then I said very categorically in the first briefing, I said on 9th, that it has gone for the further execution after I signed.
So after 4th, was it not the government's duty to tell the petitioner that the mercy petition has been rejected?
I think, you see, according to the jail manual, they must have told.
Yes, please. Okay, last question.
BJP boycotting you, they are saying that they are going back. How do you react?
You see, my party and I, very categorically, we have said, if you want to do, you see, there is nothing, you see, in democracy, no one objects.
Thank you very much. The Honourable Minister is to leave. So we have to end the press conference now. I will request cooperation from everybody. The Minister has agreed to answer one question. I request everybody's cooperation. Please.
अरे बोलिए मैं सुन रहा हूँ यार.
I was expecting my colleagues to ask a question. I'm very touched with the extent of concern they've shown for Afzal Guru's family. But I was expecting them to ask a question, one single question from anyone about a poor Indian soul languishing in Pakistani jail. Now, since they haven't asked me, I thought I would ask you that. Now that we have had 2 happy hangings of Afzal Guru and Ajmal Kasab, how difficult or easy are you going to think our process to extricate poor Sarabjit Singh from Pakistani jail? Is it going to be any easier?
I have already, you see, posed this problem before the Home Minister of Pakistan. Not only once, twice I have sent it. The matter is under consideration.
Thank you.
Yeah, boli.
There was one more death row convict whose petition was rejected by Pranab Mukherjee, Mr. Natikar from Karnataka. It was made public and he was not executed in still. Is the Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of India following different standards for terrorists and different standards for people who are...
No, I think that matter is also, I do not know the exact what happened, but I think it is in the court.
Are you claiming... Okay.